Hello, my friend. Let's discuss again about the questions and answers about how to use past continuous and the past simple. How to use past continuous and the past simple. It's about question and answers. We have the question there. Put the verbs into the correct form. We consider past continuous and past simple. Question number 1. John dash dash. We have the verb into brackets. Wait for me. When I dash dash. We have the verb there, arrive. What dash dash you undo this time yesterday? I was asleep. Dash dash you have you verb and go. You our last night, no, I was too tired. Was Carol at the party last night? Yes, she dash dash you have the verb where. I will. Question number 5. How fast dash dash you verb drive? When the accident dash dash you have verb happen. Question number 6. John dash dash you have the verb take a photograph for me, while I dash dash you have verb take and negation not. Question number 7. We were in a very difficult position. We dash dash we have not and know what we do. Question number 8. I haven't seen Alan for ages. When I last dash dash, we have verb to see. Him, he dash dash, we have the verb try to find a job in London. Question number 9. I dash dash, we have the verb walk along the street when suddenly I dash dash, you have the verb here. Footsteps behind me. Somebody dash dash, you have the verb follow me. I was frightened and I dash dash, you have the verb start to run. The last question. When I was young, I dash dash, you have the verb want to be a bus driver. How many questions have you attempted? How many questions, my friend, have you attempted? We have discussed about the use of past continuous and past simple. We try to compare them. How many questions have you attempted? Let's see the answers. Are we together, my friend? Let's see the answers. My friend, here we have the answers. The answer for question 1 is was waiting and arrived. The answer for question 2 is were you doing? The answer for question 3, is did you go? The answer for question 4 is were wearing. Another answer which is also possible is were. The answer for question 5, were you driving? The answer for question 6, the first is took, and the last is wasn't looking. The answer for question 7 is didn't know. The answer for question 8, the first part you have saw, another part you have was trying. The answer for question 9 is, the first one was walking. Second, we have had. Third, we have was following. The fourth or the last one is started. The last question, number 10, the answer is wanted. Thank you for trying these questions, and I think that you are a good runner. My friend, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you for another session.